Morning again, welcome to VNM, our program, Vimukti Niwan Maga, which means liberation path to the enlightenment. So we already discussed seven videos in this program as the second season English program of this VNM or Vimukti Niwan Maga program. Previous video I told I am going to talking about the second division of Tripitaka here as a briefing. So let's talk about it. The second division is called Abhidhamma Pitaka. The meaning of that Pali or Sinhala word is the subtle doctrine, which means the absolute final level of the universe, which will be discussed here in Abhidhamma Pitaka. So Abhidhamma Pitaka is a very great and very deep concept in Buddhism, and the very deep part of the Buddhism, because like the deep meanings of discipline, the spiritual deepness in Abhidhamma is very strong, because it revealed the utmost final level. Until the utmost final level, it describe and explain things, incidents until that absolute final level of the universe. So beyond from that level there is nothing exists. So that is the final incident happened in the universe in the final absolute final level, which is described in Abhidhamma Pitaka. So there is nothing behind Abhidhamma Pitaka, because that is the absolute end of the all kind of knowledges and all kind of researches and all kind of knowledge, or whatever we can say. So due to this condition, due to these reasons, we saw this part of Tripitaka, the second division, is very different from other religions, because here it is very deep doctrinal stage has been explained. So it is very different from other religions. That is the main reason that Buddhism become unique in the world. So there are 7 books now available from the ancient times in Abhidhamma Pitaka. As we explained you, from the first doctrinal assembly happened in India 26 centuries before from our time. It was already arranged after the Parinibbana of Lord Gautama Buddha. The major senior disciples, 500 disciples got together and they arranged this Tripitaka by the teachings, by analyzing the teachings and by remembering the teachings of Lord Gautama Buddha. So that time there are 6 books completed in Abhidhamma Pitaka and 1 book remained. They remain 1 book. They left 1 book for future assemblies. After some debates about doctrine with other religions, then the purification came to, because if Abhidhamma available with the Bhikkhu generation, the other religious people available that time, they made argument against teachings of Buddha, Lord Buddha. So that time Bhikkhu generation, some senior Bhikkhus, they make debates with them and they defeated them by revealing the true doctrine. So these debates, the incident, how they explain, how these Bhikkhu senior Theros, how they explain Dhamma, this was came to as a detailed version for Abhidhamma. So that's why the 7th book of Abhidhamma Pitaka took time to establish. With this purification, after this purification, this complete 7 books called Sapta Prakarana, the Prakarana books came to Abhidhamma Pitaka. They are remaining until our times and through the history of time. So these are 7 books of Abhidhamma Pitaka. First one Dhamma Sanganippakarana, second one Vibhangapakarana, third one Dhatu Katapakarane, Pudgala Pajñaptikarane, the 4th book, and the 5th book Yamakappakarane, and the 6th book Pattanapakarane, and the last 7th one is Hatavaprakarane. This was took some time to complete. So these are the 7 books available in this subtle doctrine part, the second division, Abhidhamma Pitaka of the Tripitaka. So in this program we are explaining you, we are introducing you these books, and we are guiding you to study, make a research about these books. You can easily make a study from our English page. We are remembering here always the doctrine page. There, the second part of the page, you can easily get a brief about, complete briefing about Abhidhamma Pitaka, all the 7 Prakarana books, and after that you can download or you can get it from as a books from internet or online purchase or any other Buddhist book publications. Then you can study. So this program we are guiding you always to help you always to make a research about Buddhism and the background subject. So let's we talk about the Abhidhamma Pitaka books. Some further details, further informations I will give you from my next video. So thank you very much. Have a nice day to you, all of you. May the Buddha Dhamma Sangha, the precious triple gems, blessings will be with you always. That is our wish from Sri Lankan Buddhists. Thank you very much. We'll see you again from our next video. I am Surat Chamara from VNM Vimukti Niwan Maga, the Liberation Part 2 Enlightenment Program. Thank you.